Organic Diaper Balm by Earth Mama. Safe Calendula by Earth Mama is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. From the positive test to the big push, from the first latch to the 1000th diaper, Earth Mama makes effective organic and natural herbal products for the whole journey of motherhood, pregnancy, postpartum, breastfeeding, and baby care. We've been safely nurturing mamas this way since 2002, and the manufacturer wouldn't do it any other way. Clinically tested to effectively battle existing diaper rash and protect against flare-ups, Earth Mama Angel Baby's Angel Baby Bottom Balm also soothes the scrapes, burns, and bug bites that can make your little explorer miserable. Earth Mama's Organic Balm is now 100% USDA certified organic, made with ethically sourced organic beeswax that's been gathered in a bee-centric manner. Organic herbal ingredients traditionally used to help comfort and soothe the diaper area and skin. Dermatologist tested and clinically tested for irritation and chosen by hospital NICUs. No petroleum, parabens or artificial fragrance. Made with organic herbs and oils, certified by Oregon Tilth.